Hello and welcome, ma'am. We are joined on this NewsX podcast right now by Mrs. Urmimala Barua, who's the director of UMB Pageants, and she's also an awardee for the Sri Shakti Award 2026 at the We Women Want Conclave. Thank you so much, ma'am. It's an honor to host you here. My first question to you, obviously, ma'am, will be what does pageantry mean in today's world?
Well, I truly believe that pageants are no longer about validations. Pageants are more about representation, and pageants are about celebrating women who truly carries talent, resilience, confidence at any stage and any age of their life.
Okay, that's a very interesting take on a new age pageantry, I must say. And ma'am, how do you ensure that pageants now celebrate women for who they are more than just their appearance? Because that's a stigma that has been attached since a very long time.
Growing up, we were always conditioned to think that beauty is dimensioned to size, shape, age, and marital status category. But I think we are in the 21st century celebrating the modern women. And in today's day and world, we should celebrate women for their stories of resilience. And every stage of a woman should be celebrated. And that's how UMB pageants came into formation, where we have an 18-year-old and we also have a 65-year-old. UMB is today one of India's leading beauty pageant company, which celebrates inclusivity and diversity. The only beauty pageant platform in India with 4 diverse category where it doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter what your size, height, age, or marital status is. You still have the opportunity to be called the queen. And our mission and our motto here is not just to make a queen, but is to make leaders and change makers who return back to their community so that they can give back and be an inspiration to the upcoming generation.
Absolutely, ma'am. And I think that's the main goal giving back to the community where you come from. I want to understand, ma'am, then you're also an entrepreneur, right? And there are millions of women watching you today, young girls who, look to up to you as a model. So I want to understand, can you explain what the risks were during your journey or, what pressure can they face during this entire entrepreneurship journey?
Of course, the journey was not easy, right? Coming from a very small town where global stage did not feel so close, and not being from the business or the entrepreneur industry. My parents
Absolutely.
were both into government jobs, so I never had the experience of being an entrepreneur. So the journey was quite challenging. The phase from a small town girl now to a global stage where I have the power to ensure that women who dream big can really lead the world has been a journey of, resilience for me. And I truly think that, women should never be scared of stepping out. Being an entrepreneur throughout this pageant journey is not just about how you look. What you perceive in your mind and how you take to the global stage is more incredible. And
Absolutely. And before we
absolutely
end,
honored to be that. Yeah.
ma'am, a rapid fire question for you. I want to understand from you what is beauty, what is a woman, and what do you think is the greatest advice that you can give to young girls out there?
So, beauty is confidence worn with dignity at any stage and any age of a woman's life.
All right. Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so
ma'am.
much
An
for having
absolute
me.
honor to
Thank
be
you.
here sharing this podcast
Thank you,
stage with
amazing.
you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so
Thank you.
much.